Hi lovely people, welcome back to my tutorial for today. Thank you so much for stopping by, and thank you all for all your support. I sincerely from my heart appreciate you guys. And please, if you're yet to subscribe, kindly touch on the red icon to subscribe, and also touch the notification bell to let all to be the first to be notified whenever we upload a new video. In our today's tutorial, we shall be looking at how to make a beaded headband. And the things that we will be needing for this tutorial is our crystal bead. As you can see, I mixed so many colors here to give me a multiple color. And this, our Alice band. Then our fishing line and our needle. This is a very small and tiny needle for our beading. So this tutorial will be a very quick one. So here, first of all, you take our needle, then insert the fishing line to it, pass it through. Then we take this. First we push it in this way. Hope you're seeing what I'm doing. Then we choose any color of our choice. You just be mixing the colors. Just need to mix the colors very well so that it will come out very good. Then you pass it through again. And push it. Make sure when you put it, you draw it well so that it will be very tight and firm. Then you pick another one. Then you pass it through again. So just this way. This is how you'll be pushing it till you finish all. Just this way. So as you're putting it, you're drawing the fishing line very tight so as to make it to be very firm. Then you go over it again. Then you pick another color of your choice. As you're doing it, you'll be very careful so as not to lock it up. Then you push it again, bring it out. So this is how I'll be doing it all round till the end. So maybe I will just come back and show you when I finish this fishing line. If I want to add another one, I'll come back and show you how to add or how to close it up before inserting another fishing line to the needle. But as you can see, this is very easy that you can do at the comfort of your home. Maybe when you are relaxing watching television, you can just use it and keep your hand busy. So like this. So this is how you'll be putting it through till the end. Just pick another one and put. Just make sure that as you are putting it, that you are tightening. You'll be tightening it so that it will be very firm, so as not to lose at the end. So I'll just come back and show you when this particular fishing line has finished, so that you will see on how to tighten it up and fix another one. Okay, as you can see, we are progressing, and like I said before, this is a very easy task. So now I'm about to fix another fishing line to my needle. I'll just pass the needle through the back this way and bring it out to the other end. This way, and draw it to be very tight. Then I will just cut it out. And I'll tie it up. And I'll go over it again. I'll push it again, like 2 or 3 times. I'll make the third one. Then I'll tighten it. Like so. Make sure you tighten it very well. Then you cut it out. So it's either you use your lighter or you use your matches. Just use a light. Hold it so that the 2 edges will wrap up together. So this way. So now I will take my fishing line again and then put it through to the needle, then start again. Okay, here we start again. We push our needle in this way, and push it out. You just leave small outside that you will use and tie at the last. Just tie it up to be firm here, then you use your light to hold it up again. So now you pick up your color of your choice. Then you push it in same way and bring it out. Just make sure that as you're putting it, just make sure that you tighten the bead so as to be firm to your band. So this is how you're gonna do about it till the end. I'll just come back and show you when I must have finished it up. So you see how our band comes out like. Okay, it's very easy. So I'd love you to try yours after watching this video. Okay, as you can see, Our work is almost ready. So just at the last part, just lock this one up from the back. Hold it very tight. So I'll just go with in and out. Just go in again, so that part will be very strong and firm. I'll go into the second one. Then go into the last part. Now just come out to the back part, put it in. Just make sure that the fishing line is not showing at this point. So just push it in and bring it out again and lock it up. Yes, as you can see, it's very strong now. So I'll just cut it out and tie it up. So when you tie the first one, then you tie again, hold it, then go in again, then go in the third time, then you draw it. And make sure you tight it very well. Then you cut out the rope. So that is it. So thank you for watching till the end. Till we meet in my next class. And please, if you're yet to subscribe, just touch on the red icon to subscribe, and also touch the notification bell to be the first to be notified whenever we upload a new video. Love you all. Bye.